from Homey Decor. Welcome to a new episode. Today I'll show you 5 top innovations for your home 2020. Number 1. LASTEST is a modular and sensitive wall light. You can create any design using magnetic tiles. Number 2. Magnetic pots and boards. You can place them in different spaces. They will look great in your bathroom, kitchen, or home office. Stay with me at the end of this video to know how to decorate with these items. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Click here for more videos. How to decorate with these new items. Top number 3. Flotating plant pots. They can spin while they are hovering in mid-air. You can combine them with a natural and rustic style. Natural flavors will be essential. Emphasize this space with terracotta accents. Number 4. Dynamic lighting. These lamps adapt to any space, for example, Nordic furniture. Incorporate metallic decoratives such as trays, hanging lamps, and mirrors. Combine them with geometric decoratives. And finally, this original lamp. Number 5. KINETIC clock. This design turns time into art. This clock moves constantly. It will look amazing with mid-century furniture. You can find all these items in the description below. Don't miss the opportunity to have them at home. Coming up next, how to decorate your bookshelf. Only here in Homey Decor. Your space, your home. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.